first thing I do every morning is charge all my devices so that the day runs smoothly without any interruptions. Then I jot down my to-do list to get a clear idea of what I want to tackle today. I've got a couple of tasks lined up. Starting my day with some study time. It's time to wake up my brain. After that, it's business mode. I have got to pack some orders. Time to download the shipping labels and get the packaging done. We got a few orders from Lucknow and Andhra Pradesh today. I am adding a little thank you note to each parcel. A handwritten one from my side. Along with a small token of love, a free blouse piece. It's a tradition my mom started. In Indian culture, we always give a blouse piece with every sari, even if the sari already has one attached. So it's our way of adding a touch of Indian culture and love to every sari we send. The next task on my list was to research about different income groups in India, something I have been curious about lately. So I was studying about different levels of income groups in India, and since India is the highly populous country, looking at its statistics, it has different levels of income groups. Obviously, there are poorest poor and wealthiest wealthy people. And among all of us, there is a one specific amount that act as a status symbol for wealthy people and also most of us aspire to earn. And that's 1 crore. How many Indians do you think actually earn more than 1 crore a year? So according to Hurun Wealth Report, back in 2018, it was just 81,000 people. It's like one cricket stadium full. Fast forward to now, it's 2.27 lakh people. Basically tripled. India is leveling up its flex scheme, right? But I don't agree it completely. If we flip the script, a different story emerges. Relativity of 1 crore. 10 years ago, 1 crore was equal to unimaginable wealth. Today, inflation plus rising cost of living, especially in metro cities, means 1 crore is not equal to same rich lifestyle. So maybe the rise in crorepati is partly money losing value, not just people getting richer. Numbers don't tell the full story. These numbers come from filed taxes. In India, a lot of wealth is undeclared, informal, or parked elsewhere. The actual number of people earning 1 crore plus could be much higher. So, are we celebrating transparency or underreporting? Then it was time to update the business Excel sheet, tracking all the orders and expenses. My last task of the day was supposed to be learning a bit about Gen AI and designing some Insta posts.